Hello and welcome to our new workshop. Today we would like to show you how you can scan several documents in a batch with the scanner ScanConnect integrated in PaperOffice and how to separate them to individual documents thanks to the separator pages. Individual documents from the stack can be saved quickly and easily in PaperOffice this way. In order to scan paper documents to PaperOffice, click in your PaperOffice interface on the Add button, which is marked as a plus symbol. Then select the submenu Paper Documents. You can also use the hotkey F5. The ScanConnect dialog opens. In the upper right corner, you will see the button Print Separating Page. Click on it. The PaperOffice Separator Page template opens. Print out the appropriate number of separator pages required. Make the scanner settings under the first point. These are already described in detail in our other workshop. The link can be found in the description text for this video. Now prepare the stack of documents for scanning and place the separator pages between the individual documents that you want to separate. After you have made the settings, place the document in the scanner and click on Start Scanning F5. The document is now scanned and the scanned pages are then analyzed by PaperOffice. The process takes a short moment. In the right area, you can see the preview images of the document pages that have just been scanned. PaperOffice now analyzes and recognizes the separator pages and marks them with the yellow color in the preview. Now click on Split by Separating Pages in the left area. In this way, each recognized separator page separates the document stack and creates a new independent document. After clicking the corresponding button, PaperOffice removes the separator pages. After the separation and other scan settings have been carried out, click on Save and Finish to save the documents in PaperOffice. How to rotate, remove, and add pages is already described in detail in another workshop. The selection of the PIA storage modes opens. What the individual storage options mean is explained in detail in a separate video. Now select e.g. Manual Storage to store the documents directly in the currently selected folder as quickly as possible without having to learn them in. As you can see, the individual documents were stored in Scanned Documents because this folder was marked in the background. This completes the scanning process with the use of separator pages. Goodbye paper chaos. Welcome Digital Office. To find out what additional features PaperOffice has, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel.